This video will help to learn history of gardening in India. Subscribe this channel and click the bell icon to get instant notification of new videos posted here. History of gardening in India can be traced from Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan period. In Harappan period, pipal trees were grown for worship and shade. In Vedic period, Aryans appreciated the beauty of flowering plants and named their children Bela, Chameli, Champa, Kamal, Madhvi, Rukmani after flowers. They associated ornamentals with Vedic deities. Bohemia was associated with goddess Saraswati, lotus with Lord Vishnu and goddess Lakshmi, red silk cotton with Lord Shiva, amaranthus with goddess Kali. They worshipped banyan tree as Kalp Vriksha, the wish-fulfilling tree. Ramayana mentions gardens in Ayodhya city with fruit trees, flowering plants and lotus ponds, and streets with shady trees. Rama and Sita were fascinated by the beauty of flowering trees, especially Ashoka tree during exile. Sita was held captive in the Ashokavnam, the grove of Ashoka tree. Mahabharata refers pleasure gardens with flowering plants. It mentions Kadamba tree associated with Lord Krishna, Ashoka, coral tree, Sal, Nag Champa, Champa, Palmyra, screw pine, oleander, Jasminum grandiflorum, Jasminum multiflorum. Ornamentals are associated with life of Buddha. Ashoka tree is associated with his birth. Pipal tree with his enlightenment. Banyan and mango tree with his first sermon. Sal tree with his death. Buddhist monasteries were painted with flowering plants to make surroundings peaceful, a place of solace and ideal for meditation. In Mauryan period, the Emperor Ashoka promoted avenue planting. His son Mahindra and daughter Sanghamitra planted a sapling of Bodhi tree, under which Buddha attained enlightenment, at Anuradhapura in Sri Lanka. In Pushyabhuti dynasty period, Bhana Bhatta, the court poet of Harsha, describes Banyan, Sal, Champaka, flame of the forest, bullet wood, Kadamba, Ashoka and Indian coral tree in Harsh Charita. In Gupta period, Kalidasa describes various flowering plants in his works. In Shakuntala, he mentions pleasure gardens and plants like Ceres, devil's tree, jasmine, juhi, hiptage, lotus and lilies. In Meghdutta, he describes plants in the route from Ramgiri in Ujjain to Alkapuri in Himalayas. In Kumar Sambhava, he mentions trees like Ashoka, Banyan, woman's tongue, deodar, Palash, Parijatham, bullet wood, Bhojpatra, lotus and lilies. Vatsyayana mentions 4 kinds of gardens in Kama Sutra. Pramododyan for kings and queens, Udyan for kings and courtiers, Vrikshavattika for ministers and courtiers, Nandanvana for Lord Indra. In Sultanate of Delhi period, Sultan Firoz Shah Tughlaq of Tughlaq dynasty laid out 1,200 fruit gardens in and around Delhi. In Mughal period, Babur built the Kabli Bagh at Panipat. He established Ram Bagh in Agra. He developed Mehtab Bagh or Moonlight Garden lying north of Taj Mahal in Agra. He built Baghi Babar at Kabul in Afghanistan. Sher Shah Suri of Suri dynasty developed Grand Trunk Road from Lahore to Kolkata with avenue planting. Akbar established Humayun's Tomb Garden in New Delhi. Jahangir built Akbar's Tomb Garden at Sikandara in Agra in Uttar Pradesh. He established Itimadur-Daula's Tomb Garden in Agra in Uttar Pradesh. He built Shalimar Garden at Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. He developed Ajbal Garden near Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. He established Verina Garden near Anantnag in Jammu and Kashmir. He built Dilkusha Garden at Lahore in Pakistan. Shah Jahan established Taj Mahal Garden at Agra in Uttar Pradesh and Red Fort Garden at Agra in Uttar Pradesh, Red Fort Garden in Delhi, Chashma Shahi at Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. He built Shalimar Garden at Lahore in Pakistan. Aurangzeb made Bibi Ka Maqbara Garden at Aurangabad in Maharashtra. Fidai Khan, a general of Aurangzeb, made Yadvindra Garden at Pinjore in Haryana. Wajid Ali Shah, last Nawab of Awadh, developed Sikandar Bagh, which houses the National Botanical Research Institute now. In Rajput period, Raja Man Singh started a palace garden at Amber Fort near Jaipur and was completed by Jai Singh II. It has 3 terraces and a lake. Raja Abhay Singh made Mandar Garden near Jodhpur. Jai Singh II established a palace garden in the heart of Jaipur city. Mewar rulers built gardens in their capital Chittoor. Suraj Mal, Jat ruler of Bharatpur in Rajasthan, founded the palace garden at Deeg. In British period, Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the ruler of Punjab, made Ram Bagh Garden at Amritsar. King Bhupinder Singh and his son Yadvindra Singh of Patiala established the famous Baradri Garden at Patiala. Hyder Ali, the ruler of Mysore, established the famous Lal Bagh Garden in Bangalore by importing plants from Mauritius and other countries. Britishers introduced herbaceous borders and lawns in Indian gardens. They introduced exotic plants such as phlox, verbena, larkspur, dahlia, pansy, aster, antirrhinum, bougainvillea, golden shower, gul mohar. They established royal agri-horticultural societies and botanical gardens. They compiled local flora of various regions. In post-independent period, public parks have been created for recreation. Public and private spaces have been landscaped. Total environment of the planned areas are improved by conscious planning and planting of plants with active cooperation from urban, tourism and archaeological departments.